Alright, so I got done working on my car. I brought in these baseboards that we use to put under the boards when we burn them. We're gonna scorch these boards today and get them sealed so they're ready for us to do some more work on the front porch this week. And then right now, my wife is taking this old black cabinet, seat, bench thing, and she is sanding off the layers of black. She's doing a damn good job making it look, you know, rustic or antiqued, whatever you want to call it. And this was the pattern that it had, these old birds with, or old flowers with the bird on them. Probably gonna get some new fabric for it, but I think it's looking pretty cool. When she's done, we're gonna clear coat it and go from there. But when she's done with this today, we're gonna get these boards laid out and get some burnt. So, yeah. Happy Sunday. You're picking your nose.
No, I was scratching it.
I'm hand sanding the handles. There's no rules. There's no rules against child labor for your own work.
Which way?
We're not profiting.
Which way?
It's looking good, girls. Well, unfortunately, it seems like the whole thing was painted black, then blue, then black again with some layers of primer, but the drawer has red under it for some reason. Now, we're gonna see how it looks all put together before we decide on what we're gonna do next.
It looks so
But
pretty.
there is blue under the red, but it's gonna be really hard to bring out what we want exactly how we want it this way. So it's not gonna be perfect with the red underneath, but I think it's really gonna stand out and look kind of cool. And then having the red, the black, the blue, the green on this distressed or antique look, I think it'll look all right. And then having more colors gives us more options on what we're gonna do to reupholster the fabric parts. Never know what you're gonna find under old paint, tell you that. All right, while the wife sands down this red to decide what we're gonna do, I'm gonna hurry up and burn the rest of these boards for the front porch trim. Well, that should be enough wood to finish the trim on the front porch. Still have to build a shoe rack, coat rack, storage rack deal. That will all be built together and then burnt. But this will finish out our trim. All right, it's all clear coated and drying. Come out tonight after it's dry and get the emblem and handles back on. And then we got to get the top of the bench reupholstered. Well, there it is. We just got to redo the ugly ass upholstery. But man, that door looks nice.